Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this AULA Wings of Liberty 104 key RGB LED backlit USB wired gaming mechanical keyboard. So this is the item. As you can see, it is really beautiful and colorful. It has a wonderful backlight. This is a nice compact keyboard to be used for personal or a wonderful gift idea. It has a wonderful effective keys and with nice sounds when you're using it. It is very easy to use. It is basically a plug and play item. So once you receive it, you just immediately use it and install it in your PC or laptop. It is very well made and durable. It has a non-skid rubber grip, which is nice. It also comes with a stand that you can use if you want or not. All in all, this is a wonderful keyboard. Very entertaining and cool. And I am absolutely happy having to own this item. Will definitely recommend this to my family and friends.